Whew. Oh. Where are you coming from?
Georgia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, all right. What happened to you?
It was a work-related injury. I was working with Coca-Cola, you know, moving cases and all that. Some kind of way when I was lifting it, and I just felt it, and it was something I never felt before. Like.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But it didn't got better, but it's still that nerve pain. Like it be feeling like either my back swelling, or either it'll be stuck right here, and sometimes I get real stiff.
Okay.
And sometimes I have good days when I can go to the gym, relax, and then like last night it was so stiff I had to put ice and hot on it just to relieve it. So I've been dealing with that for a few years.
For a few years?
Yeah. But I was watching all your video about a few years. I was like, finally I'm gonna come on down. So I said, let's give it a try.
Dang. All right, so it's all that right side.
It don't go that far down. It's
okay.
mainly like this right here, the back,
yep.
to the nerve in the butt.
Okay.
So every now and then it'll do that. So I be popping my back a lot all day, like 2 or 3 times a day. But every now and then it just have that nerve, the aggravation nerve.
Yep.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay. Now what about upper?
No, everything good. It's just the lower back to the butt cheek. That's right there.
Okay. Dang. Stand up for me first. I want to run through range of motion, if like bending backwards, forwards.
I can go right there, and I can feel it. So when I live back right, you can feel it right here.
You feel it as soon as you go back. Okay. What about bending forward?
I can bend a little bit, and I feel it right here.
Okay, but you can go a little bit further compared to the.
Yeah, I can go down. So.
Okay. Leaning into the sides.
You just feel it right here, but I can go side to side.
Okay, you can do it, but you feel it.
Yeah, I feel it.
Dang, it's a heavy. What about even just?
Yeah, I can go like that. They usually pop, but I can go like that.
Do you feel it?
Still
feel it. Dang. Okay. Let me have you go face down. Yeah, you can tell right leg is pulling shorter than the left one. This hip right here is a little bit raised up. It's kind of doing one of those. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. No pain with any of that, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I feel it all, even this muscle on this side.
When you imagine then, I felt a little tight right there.
Okay.
Like a little nerve thing.
Okay, when I'm pushing in?
Right up.
Right there, okay.
Yeah, they feel it. Oh, right on that side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything, it's like everything's, I feel how this muscle kind of pops out more at me.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, everything is rotated there. Dang. But lower, so when I get more in that lumbar, that's when you're feeling it. It's, okay. Dang, okay. Alright, I want to start off with the vibration first. Just want to relax everything in here for you. Let me know how it feels down here with that nerve. How's that feel? Okay. Really?
When you were going side to side.
I'm gonna start right up top here, clear out the lower cervical, upper thoracic spine here. There we go. Whew. Heck yeah. Alright, let's get into that upper thoracic. Yeah. Take a deep breath in and out. There it was. Yeah, let's see if we can get a little lower. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Oh, heck yeah.
You did it by design.
There we go. How'd that feel?
Yeah, it felt. I felt it.
Okay. And this one we're gonna do, it's a seated lumbar adjustment.
Okay.
So we'll get some movement in the lumbar spine, sometimes the hips and pelvis, and then even sometimes you'll feel like in that femur head too.
Okay.
Whew.
That's the one.
Dang. You can relax your arms.
Okay. That's the one I felt in the hip in the front a little bit.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Yeah, like always doing a little bit of muscle work, kind of loosen up these traps. This is where people tend to hold their stress and tension. And I know that you driving all the time.
Yeah, sports over the years and all that stuff.
Yeah, that'll take a toll on you. Check the shoulder. Good. Good. And rest. Yeah, one at a time, you're good. Switch. Yep. Can you bring that arm back up? There we go. Go face down again for me. Getting better. Just a tiny bit short on that right side. But I want to check with the hips. See if the sacrum is lined up in the middle. So I'm going to stabilize right on the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me.
I feel it.
You feel it with that? Okay. Hey, let's just see. If you raise your left leg, what do you feel?
I don't feel no pain in my left leg. Well, I feel it on this side, but I don't feel it on my left side.
Okay. Cross your right foot over your left foot. Good. Actually, yeah, bring your arms up. There we go. Uncross. We're gonna bend that leg. Relax, let me lift this leg up. Almost perfect with the leg length there. Okay. That's directly over the sacrum. Now we're gonna work our way up through the lumbar spine here, even get into a little bit of the bottom of the thoracic spine. Heck yeah. Balance down here. Raise that leg up again for me. Okay. Okay. Good, at least you're not, like in the beginning, your body was all like that. You're actually looking level down here now. Yep, and leg length stayed balanced there. Let's raise it one more time, check it.
Right to right.
Yep, yep. Okay, so just feel a little bit better than what it was?
Kind of a little better when you were mashing it. I felt some of the pain start to go up. But
Okay.
I don't feel it in here no more though.
Okay.
I
Just in that one.
cheek, yeah.
Okay. Flip onto your back for me. All right, now we're gonna do those leg pulls. Just relax your leg for me. Good. There we go. Relax that ankle.
That right ankle, like, I don't know why, like I had a bad twist in it. So it always kind of, I don't know.
Okay.
All right.
honest. I'm gonna imagine you've never had this done.
Nah, this my first time ever had a body adjustment.
Yeah, wise strap. We're gonna decompress the spine.
Okay. Just relax my hands.
Just like that, yep.
Oh!
What did you feel?
I just felt my neck go up, like expand right here. Yeah. That's what I felt. My neck just, light pop.
Back down.
Now I felt that one go down. That one went down farther. Yeah, I felt that back down the mid back, going down.
Yeah, that first one, you probably just had so much compression.
Yeah,
on
it just
top.
went straight neck to the, felt like pressure, but now it relieving. This one went down, kind of like, I want to say, toward the mid back.
Okay.
That feel a little better too. I still feel it in there a little bit, but not as much as.
That's what it was?
Mm-hmm.
Scoot forward a little bit again. Come on back.
Okay. Yeah, that one got down out there. Yeah, that one got to the lower back.
Did it?
Yeah.
See, so each one went down.
Yeah,
First one
dip,
neck, second
head,
one.
mid, back. Yeah. It's the first time I seen that too. Watching your video, it go 3 different places. Cause most people say, okay, it was right here, then it did it, but it took me 3 to get way down to the way.
Yeah, everyone's different.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I feel good. I still got the little, it's just that butt nerve.
Right?
Yeah, that nerve, yeah.
Just right on that.
Yeah, that's where it's at. Like when I make a, like when I make a move, it's like it always be that, like let me see, like right here, kind of like in that. When you were massaging the right, you were hitting it right on the spot.
Okay.
Listen.
Go on your back.
Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that's where it's at right now. Yeah, right now. Yeah, that way, let's start right now. Yeah, it's just right there. It's scratching it though. I'm more deep in there.
Putting you through a workout right
I
now.
know. You'd think it's a pulled muscle or something, how bad the nerve be just stuck in there right there.
I think because the low back has been out of alignment for such a
So long.
time, it's pulled your piriformis muscle, because that's the muscle that I'm hitting with the vibration,
Yeah.
and then with the stretching, like the third stretch that I did, leaning forward, yeah, that's what you're feeling it right on that.
Yeah, right on there.
How's that feeling?
Yeah, feel good.
Yeah, that muscle might take about a couple days, just maybe about a day or two, just to let that thing kind of settle down, because it's been pulled for so long.
Yeah. And I could feel my back straight like this though, cause it was like when you were going up, it was like do like one side was higher, like sticking up more than the other one, yeah. So that's what I would be in, just that same little spot.
Yeah.
But it feel better though.
Good. Yeah, things are aligned. Your legs are now balanced, which was, I mean, you were, I don't know, about a solid half-inch
Yeah.
shorter on the one side than the other.
Yeah, that mean my back was like this.
Yep. And that was why that was never going to get better.
Right. Because I was yeah, I need to adjust it bad then.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you were due.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know, like you said, with lift and things like that,
Yeah.
you did yourself in good, that's for sure.
Hopefully
you're not lifting like that anymore.
Nah. Them days over with.
I don't blame you.
I stick to driving.
Perfect. Today, I always tell everyone rest. If you were planning on working out today,
Nah, I ain't worked out in like maybe 2 months. I just been resting and relaxing. I just changed the way I eat a little bit, so, but I ain't went to the gym in a while.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? I may walk, but I ain't did no lifting and nothing in a while.
Gotcha.
So I was trying to, because I seen online they say like you need rest when you're dealing with all this down here. So I just was trying to rest and relieve it, and it get a little better. It's just that one little nerve pain. That's all that I could never get away with. Yeah, that's the only thing.
In a few days, you'll probably be able to get back in a little bit into the gym and actually do some lifting again.
Okay.
Go light.
Yeah.
Kind of start low, kind of build it up, because I mean you haven't been able to lift in a while. So.
Right.
Yeah. No, and then a lot of water today and rest, relax, take it easy.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.